about this? Jet ski champion turned real-life Green Goblin, Franky Zapata has been zipping around our airways for a while now. But 4 years on, I'm back to meet the hoverboard inventor, who many have branded a daredevil.
It's wrong, you know. I'm just a dreamer that is doing everything he can to accomplish his dream.
And Franky certainly has been dreaming big.
This is huge. Oh, what's up here then?
So this...
Thanks to a deep-pocketed German investor, he's taken his business to new heights.
We are bridging all this building in our flying zone. So we develop projects, we just open the gate and we fly.
He's got workers behind desks and lab counters, workshops and even a factory floor. Grand halls for grand ideas.
We plan to build 1,000 machines per year.
I'm here to see his latest innovation, the JetRacer.
Check this out.
Sadly, I'm not legally permitted to fly this thing due to French regulation. And let's definitely not mention the fact that I'm dangerously close to the maximum weight limit of 110 kilos. So it's over to Franky to show us how it's done.
Enjoy the flight.
With 10 rocket fuel powered jet engines, this so-called flying race car can theoretically reach a top speed of 260 km per hour and is arguably more user-friendly than its hoverboard predecessor.
The flyboard there, you need to be fit like maybe 10 times more than a water flyboard. With this one, you're just sinking. It's like a flying carpet.
Which is great because not all of us have abs of steel and the agility of a cat.
Personal mobility for me doesn't mean like you have to go somewhere and you will take a flying taxi. The way I imagine the mobility is you have your own flying machine in your little garden and then you can take it every Saturday or Sunday or at night and you can go and visit your friends and land directly in this garden.
Mind the geraniums.
That's absolutely bananas.
Clearly this is for fun, a maximum of 15 minutes worth in fact, and obviously not a replacement for the family station wagon. But Franky sees a market for flying experiences and is building full-scale training tools in preparation.
So here is our simulator. It's your time.
Okay, it's my time to get into the hot seat.
Steady.
Oh, like a true athlete.
This has exactly the same brain you have in the real JetRacer.
Hold on. So forward, I'm actually on this one now.
Yeah.
So.
Exactly. Good job. It's where we train pilots, but it's also where we develop all our flight sequence, all our failure, what's happened if you lose an engine, what's happened if you break a flight controller.
The good thing is the trees aren't real, so I could just fly through them without consequence. It is actually easier than I thought it was going to be.
And if you want, you can test now. The hardest thing is to land on the right point.
Mission accepted.
Come on, come on.
No,
I missed it, I've missed it.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
Good job.
However, even with practice, some test flights go better than others. How safe is that thing?
This technology is extremely safe. We can lose two engines, even two engines in the same arm, and we're still flying. It's safer than unconventional ultralight.
You won't find the JetRacer in the shops anytime soon, but Franky is taking it to America early next year, where brave members of the public can legally take it for a spin.
So that means like we will be the first company in the world to have commercial flight with our machine.
Is that even real? Is what I've just seen real?